All of you. My name is Deepak Kumar. Today in this video, I'll show you how to combine the two dataset into a single pivot table by using the Power Pivot. Before going forward, I'll give you the overview of the dataset. We have the two dataset that is containing the product detail, and the product detail, the information containing the product ID, product name, category, and the price per unit. Similarly, we have the two dataset 2, which is containing the sales information, and the information containing is the order ID, product ID, customer ID, quantity sold, and the sales amount. Based on these two dataset, we need to make the pivot table by using these two dataset. And how we can make a single pivot table. Before going forward, first you have the Power Pivot tab, but be ensured that this Power Pivot is enabled in your Excel file. If it is not enabled in your Excel file, then you have to follow this step. Go to the file, go to the more, and go to the options. We have the customize ribbon. Select this, and we have the main tabs. And inside the main tab, we have the Power Pivot. By default, this is unchecked in your system, but you have to check this Power Pivot and press OK. Then you will enable the Power Pivot in your system. Now come to the next part. We have the two data set. We need to these two data set, add this data set into our data model. So go to the Power Pivot, and as you go to the Power Pivot, we have the data model. As you go to the Power Pivot tab, we have the add to data model. As you click on the data model, it will open the create table. By default, it will select the cell range of your data set already has been selected. Just press the OK, and new Power Pivot window will open. And here you will see that the product details, the information, all the product details which are containing on your data set, all has been displayed here. And there is a table name, but by default Excel Power Pivot didn't understood what is the name of the table. But if you have mentioned that table name, then it will consider that name. But by default, it will not consider. So you need to change the name of the table here by pressing the double click or click on the right click. You will see the rename of this table. So we can rename this table. It's the product details. Product details. So now we have the product detail table has been added into our data model. Now close this window. Now go to the second data set and follow the same steps which you have applied into the data set 1. Again, go to your Power Pivot tab and click on the add to data model. As you click on the add to data model, new window will, and the data set range has been already selected. Just press the OK. Now you can see the Power Pivot window again open, and you will see your second data set will here. The order details, the order ID, product ID, customer ID, quantity sold, and the sales amount. And by default, it will show the name of the table 2. Now we can change this name by the order details here. So here we have created the data model. Here we have created the data model. But before moving forward, we need to create the relationship between these two tables. What is the relationship between these two tables? You need to go to the Home tab in a Power Pivot window. Go to the Home tab, and Home tab inside you will see the diagram view. Just click on the diagram view. Then it will show you the the headers of your two data set. You can see that the product detail containing the product ID, product name, category, price per unit, and the order detail is containing the order ID, product ID, customer ID, quantity sold, and sales amount. So here we can see that the product ID and the product ID of the order details are the same. So we can create the relationship by dragging and drop. Just drop this product ID and you will see the relationship has been created between these two data set on the basis of the product ID. So we have successfully created the relationship, and just go to the data view and you will see that the data model has been updated. Now it's time to create the pivot table on the basis of the two data set. We have the product detail and the order details. Just go to the home tab in the Power Pivot window. Here you can see the pivot table. As you click on the pivot table, there is a lots of the option which you can see. But right now we are working on the pivot table. Just we want to create the pivot table. Just click on the pivot table. As you click on the pivot table, it will ask you that what kind of the pivot table, where you want to be placed your pivot table. New worksheet on the existing worksheet. So existing worksheet, we doesn't want to be create a pivot table on this existing sheet. We want a new sheet. So we click on the new worksheet and press OK. And you will see the new window has been new worksheet has been created, and you will see that the Power Pivot has been created book one manually. Now go to the pivot table and you will see that there is a show field list, and you just click on the right click, and if you are not able to see the pivot table field option, then you just need to click on the these options. Now on the pivot table field of settings, so I'm dragging this option now. I'm dragging these options to the just wait. Yeah. So as I click on the pivot table, the pivot field pane has been opened. If you look at the pivot table field panes, the two tables, the two data set which you have already given the name of the table, the order details and the product detail, all mentioned here, and you just need to only click on the what are the details you want to be fetch here. So basically I'm taking the category. Based on the category, I just want the sales amount. So sales amount is in our order ID detail. As I click on this option, then you will see that based on this electronics, we have the sales amount is the 4100. Peripheral, we have the options of the 1800, and we can add so many details in this name. As I just want to drag the product name. So product name is also, you can see here the product name and their category, and you will see the each containing this what are the sales amount and what are the price per unit. If you want to look at the price per unit, you can also use drag this option here, and you will see the price per unit also. Here's the many more options which you can perform inside this dataset. So thank you for watching this video.